you are making a deal. So every single aspect of it you are going over, and this is how you actually negotiate. Okay, these are all your negotiation tactics. Okay, so why choose non-recoupable deals? Financial freedom. Non-recoupable deals provide artists with financial security as they are not under pressure to earn back the advance from their royalties. Creative autonomy. With financial pressures minimized, artists can focus on creative expression without the constraint of commercial success dictating their artistic choices. Negotiating non-recoupable deals. Leverage. To negotiate non-recoupable deals, artists need strong leverage, which can come from proven track records, strong fan bases, or unique artistic value. Like I mentioned before, you could just be that guy, and you might not have a following anything. So don't let metrics scare you away or confuse you as to what your worth is. Okay, legal representation